Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm just going to be doing a quick nail tutorial. Kiss, my favorite brand. Dollar Tree, of course, you already know. Short. This is a nice soft pink with a matte finish. Very elegant, nice for work or any, fancy occasion. As you can see, simple instructions on the back. 7 days plus wear. Stick with me and I'll show you guys how we get it done. Okay, so this is just really quickly a mini prep sesh because I know I don't always show you guys how I prep my nails, but as you know, you should always file, cut your cuticles. That is the key. Cut your nails short in case you have, those certain lengths on those nails. If it's like coffin or stiletto shape, always want to cut your nails down. So yeah, this is just me really quickly, showing you how I prep them really quick. Not the full video, of course, but just a little something to show you how I'm cleaning and cutting, cleaning, and getting these nails ready for these press-ons, okay? Okay, so as you can see, I have finished cleaning and prepping my nails, so I'm gonna start gluing. As you see, I have my favorite wooden stick. This nail glue that I'm using, I did get it from Dollar Tree as well, and it works just as fine. Like I said, with the excess glue, you can use a wooden stick or you can leave it there. It'll dry off and come off. I use a wooden stick because it does stick easily to your skin, okay? It's no joke. All right, and it's coming on really nice and cute. Like, I'm loving this matte finish on it. And the thing with matte is that you have to be careful with the nail glue because it'll mess up so quick. So that's just one tip that I have to suggest about that. But listen, y'all need to get into these Dollar Tree nails. I be telling y'all this time after time. And look at the results. You'll see at the end. As you see, the top of it has a little rigid thing. And we're going to follow that down. So don't even worry about that and smooth those out. But honestly, like, short nails, these are the work nails, okay, period. And the long nails on the weekend or something. But get into these Dollar Tree press-on nails. Get into press-on nails, period. Okay, I switch hands because I do mainly use my thumb and index finger to help me press on the nails. So just to help me with that, I switch. I'm doing the back and forth method that I saw someone else use, and it's really good. It's really helpful. If you like it, stick to it, do it. And yeah. Alrighty, so this is the final look after I did file the top of each nail to get that little ridge out. Get into these nails, soft matte finish, very smooth, very nice. Okay, Dollar Tree is where it's at, or any press on nails. But thanks for watching and supporting. Let me know what else you guys want to see me do. Have a blessed one.